Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video with Storo, and let's get into it. So guys, today we're going to be doing React, and on React we are going to do just React. So let's just open a new folder. After you open a new folder, then you should just create a new folder. After you open a new folder, after you press open folder, create new folder and name it hi or whatever you want to name it and select folder. Okay, so after you do that, go on the terminal and do npx create react app dot slash. Well, if your own thing is, I named mine hi with a lowercase h and I. If you named it hi with a capital H and I, then what will happen here won't work. So if you name it, and you can't name it React or React.dom or those stuff, you can only name it stuff that have lowercase letters and they don't have React in them or other stuff that etc. So after this it finishes making these, after it finishes this is what it will show, and yeah, this is what it will kind of show, and you have all of these and you can look at all the stuff there, but it's kind of confusing, but you can just look at all the stuff if you want to. It's confusing if you just start it, but you can look at all the stuff. Then you can do the yarn start. After you do yarn start, there shouldn't be an error. This error is because I did something different. My computer, my laptop is different from yours, so I'm just gonna switch and just do it over again and see if mine will work, and I hope yours works. I'm just gonna see if mine will work. See you soon. So guys, I renamed it and I called it Lost, but basically the same thing. Get it? It's basically the same thing. So let's continue. So go to press CRC and go and press app.js. Okay. This is first and press app.js. Okay. Then press terminal, new terminal, and do yarn start. By the way, guys, this is not the basic React. I'm going to do another video about the basic React on another video. Okay, so go to the channel and yeah, subscribe and do all those. So guys, after you do that, then just wait until this finishes loading and then go on it. Just wait until this finishes loading and then go on it. Yeah. And this is what it's going to show. And it maybe looks a bit bad right now, but we can make it look awesome. Well, for me, it looks good enough because we never even wrote anything and it's really that good. So we can this is the whole code. This is the spin logo. I like spin logo, so I'm going to keep it. The thing I don't like is this. I'm going to delete that. After you don't have to delete it, but I want to delete it, then save it. I want to add a little bit of Bootstrap. I'm just going to show up. So Bootstrap is most popular is HTML, CSS, and JS. As you can see, you can download Bootstrap and you just go get to bootstrap.com. And then press get started. And these are the basics. And you can just look around them, do anything you want, and you can make another HTML thing. Copy these and put it to the HTML. And yeah, I might show you how to do it in a different video, maybe. And then okay, so that's the bootstrap. Back to the coding. So in the coding, just do yarn add. Well, if you don't have yarn, you can just do npm. And if you don't have npm, well, go to one of the other videos that actually how to install Visual Studio Code that I might make, and just look at it, how to install it, how to install Notebook, and how to install yarn, and and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video though. So then just do yarn or npm. If you do yarn, you should do yarn add. If you do npm, do npm install. So I'll just do yarn. So yarn add bootstrap. And we also want React Bootstrap because we're also on React. After you click this, you'll do all these stuff, and it's going to install. So, see after it finishes installing. Hello guys, we're aiming for at least 1,000 subscribers, and if we can, 100,000. And if we can, 1 million. But right now we're aiming for 1,000 subscribers. So please share this video to all your friends, all your family, and just share it, and please subscribe. Back to the video. So guys, after it finishes installing, we should do this. Import, I think I forgot it, but I think it's like this. Bootstrap, list, CSS, bootstrap, bootstrap.min.css. I think it's like that. And if you go back to here, and that's the change. That's the only change that's gonna happen so far, because we added this line of code. Okay, guys, you might be thinking this is pathetic. This is nonsense. This is not good enough. If even the HTML is a bit better. Yes, I have to agree. This is not good enough. So I'm gonna do components. I'm gonna show you how to explain all the React. I should, if I forget, you guys should remind me in the comments below to tell you how to do all the React in a video next time. So remind me later, okay? Anyway, back to the video. Let's go back to the video. So where were we at? Okay, components. I'm gonna add a nav one. I'm gonna be using JavaScript. You might be thinking, how did I just do that? And the person will show all this. You might be thinking, I had to type this up. And let me tell you something, you don't. Once you just read your code, you can just go to these extensions and just install. Just install. Let me find it again. This. Just install this and you're good to go. Because this will be, yeah, this is it. So if you can just do RCC and also something and all those stuff, okay? So you can just install this on React and you will be able to do it. So let's get back to it. So after this, you should go on inside the div, and let's just say we should also import navbar. We should import from Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, and let's import navbar. Yep, navbar it is. Then we should write navbar and just say hi. Just so far. By the way, you might be thinking, it was so, but no, because we had to link it. So we should import navbar from and from now from components, remember, and navbar. So guys, I accidentally did something a bit weird. So if this one's where you are, then you should skip, because I accidentally paused the video and then did the whole thing and then unpaused again when I didn't know. So I'm just gonna start where I think I was at before. So after you done this, I want to make a home, because look at it. Let's see that, and no, name this navbar, and should work. So it should work now. Yeah, it's now that. One thing, I just want to do class name, text, white, and I actually want the text to be bold. I want to see if this will work, because I've never actually tried this before. So the text bold is supposed to work. So let's try style and font size. Font size 100 pixels. Let's see what will happen now. Okay, a bit too big. So 10 pixels. That's too small. 50 pixels. No, I didn't want to put pixels in because I'm not sure. 50 pixels. How's that too big? Let's just try 25 pixels. 25 pixel, 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 pixel. Okay, 25 pixels, good enough. Not the worst that could ever happen in the world. So font weight and 100 pixels, and this is not. I don't think this was actually right. So yeah, so 100. Save. I'll say 1 million. Whatever. That's a bit thick. Not bad. 1 quadrillion. Not bad. Looking to get a bit fontier. Come on, get a bit fatter. Okay, this is ridiculous. Okay, this is not gonna work. So guys, I'm trying to make it be a bit fatter kind of. But it's not gonna work. So yeah, so I'm just gonna, so this might see like doesn't look good. And to be honest, I had a good view. But I'm sure that I'll make it a little, at least a little better. So it's not gonna be as the worst thing you've ever seen. So I had to output a home.js and do an RCC. Then after I put it RCC, I will do this. So after the RCC, for me, I think this is the best idea to do this. I will copy this whole thing, no, just the header, and paste it in the header, the home. And after I do that, I'm just gonna put the right in places. Yes. After that, after that I'm going to just after that I'm just going to what should I do? After I copy that, I'm just going to delete the image because I've tried it before and it gave me a big error. So I'm not going to try it again. And so I'll delete this and import home from actually I'm going to try doing what I just did. Components. The thing that I said that will give you an error, I'm actually going to put the image back because I'm actually going to try and make it work. So, home, and put it back. Just I'm going to, and put it back. The thing that's not going to work though is that I think the thing that's not going to work is I actually don't know the thing I don't actually know the thing that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna keep on trying until it's not gonna work. So yeah. And yeah, I knew it because it can't resolve this, and then when I did that, it shows another it still shows the same thing. So guys, this is not done yet. I cannot allow this to be done. This is not good enough. So I'm gonna add a card. No, I'm gonna import a card. You might think, what's a card? Well, you can either just go to Bootstrap website and check for yourself, or just watch me do it. So a card is something like this. So I'm just gonna add a card with add card dot header. By the way, this is actually from Bootstrap, so you should have it. So if he did, it's gonna be good. If he saw Bootstrap, that'll be good. And okay, so what was I doing again? Okay, yeah, this. So then you should do hi. Let's see. This is the best website ever. This is the worst website ever. And then it will show something like yes, right here. This is the worst website ever. And if you want to, I think you can add I'm gonna add a HR. You guys might be thinking, what is a HR? Well, it's gonna appear a line, so I'm gonna see if it will work. So HR, just like that, very simple. HR, and it shows a line. See? I can make the HR just at least. I can make the HR width. I can reach the HR with 50 pixels or 100 pixels, and it'll be a bit shorter. No, I'll make it 50%. If this doesn't work, then you can just delete it all. Actually, it won't work. It doesn't matter. Just delete the style. Don't delete the whole thing. If you did, do Q-T if you're on Windows, and if you did on Mac, then do Command Z. Q-T Command Z. Okay. After that, it's just this was website ever high, and this is probably good. It's okay. It's not the worst website I've ever seen. I don't actually know the website I've ever seen. And bye guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. And if you never, please, you have the right to put thumbs down. But if you did like it, put a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. And I allow this for kids, so kids can learn coding whenever they like. And bye bye.